In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to blend two images in Canva. So let's get started. So I have my two images right here. And first thing that you'd want to do is that you would want to position your image however you'd want. So for example, in blending these two, I would want this person or this object to be here on the right side, something like that. And then here on the top photo, or this one right here, this should be right here. So I would want to position it in the way that I would want. So let's say like that. And then the next thing is that you would want to select the top photo. Now you want to go into the apps right here. And then you want to go search for image blender. And now you would want to select this one right here, image blender, and click on open. And then you will now be able to use the app, and now you can go here into tools. So you can go for linear, radial, or brush tool, however you'd want to gradient it. But let's just go for linear first. And now you'd have this control. So now you can control how you would want it to be blended. So in my case, I want it to be something like this. And then once I'm satisfied, is that you just simply need to click here on save, and you'll now be able to see that it will now be applied, and then it would also be available here on your media to be available for use on your other projects right here on your media library. You can always go back if you didn't like the result by pressing Ctrl+Z, and then as you can see, the effect was undone. And from here, you could also go for radial if you'd want to, so maybe something like this. So we could also adjust radial, and let's see, something like that, and then click here on save. And as you can see, it will now be saved just like before. And as you can see, I think this one is the much better one. So it's a radial kind of cut right here, or gradient. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.